Hi, this is Chris with PDX Code Guild. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python 3 on your Windows computer. The first thing we're going to do is download the latest version of Python. Then we'll install it, making sure to click on the Add to Path checkbox. Finally, we will test it in Windows PowerShell. Let's begin. The easiest way to get to the Python download is to search Google or your favorite search engine for Python. There are two ways to get there. The easiest will be to go straight to the download page. If you go to the main page, you can just click the download button. We want the Python 3.6.4 version. If you see the 2.7 version, that is an old version of Python. We want to go ahead and ignore it. Depending on your internet speeds, this might take a little while to download. Once it is downloaded, we'll go ahead and open it. And before we click anything else, we want to add this add Python 3.6 to path. We're going to make sure that that's checked. If it's not, we won't be able to run Python in our shells. We'll go ahead and click install now. Again, depending on the speed of your computer, this may take a little while. Once setup is successful, you may see down at the bottom a box asking you to allow Python to enable long file names. We want to go ahead and accept that. If you don't see it, it's already enabled. Don't worry about it. Once that's done, we can close out our browser. And we want to search for Windows PowerShell. We don't want to use the command prompt. That is an older shell and it doesn't have some of the more modern things that we might be using. Windows PowerShell also has some aliases to things that are bash-like commands. If you don't know what any of this means, don't worry about it. We will talk about it in one of our next videos. Once Windows PowerShell is up and running, we can go ahead and test to make sure that our Python is installed correctly by typing Python, a space, and then the dash again, and the word version. If we've installed everything correctly, we should see our current Python version of 3.6.4 or later. All right, thanks for watching.